Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to evaluate this limit given here. The question says this limit has a finite value, that means it exists, and we have to calculate the value of a and overall limit as well. So if we see here, if we use x tends to 0 limit in these expressions, the numerator part will also be 0 and denominator part will also be 0. So this is 0 by 0 indeterminate form, right? So instead of using the limit here, let's use the L'Hopital rule. With that rule, we can simply find the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of denominator and write it down. So the derivative of the numerator here will be how much? 2 cos 2x plus a cos x divided by 3x square. Now if we use x tends to 0 here, the denominator will tends to be 0. However, the numerator, right, the numerator does not vanish. That is, in rough, let's use this limit here. It will give you 2 cos 0 plus a cos 0 by 0, which will be infinity. That means if we use x tends to 0 here, this limit will diverge. It will not exist. It will be infinite. However, our question says this limit has a finite value. So for this limit to have finite value, we can say that it must be in the form of 0 by 0 form, right? So let's write like this. For this limit to exist, it must be in the form of 0 by 0 when x tends to 0, right? Since denominator is already 0, that's why numerator should also be 0 when x tends to 0. For x tends to 0, numerator becomes 2 cos 0 minus 2 cos 0 plus a cos 0 equals to 0. This is 2 plus a equals to 0. That is a equals to minus 2. We calculated the value of a. Now we need to find the value of this limit as well, right? So with using a equals to minus 2, this limit will be 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos x by 3x square. This is still in the form of 0 by 0. Again use L'Hopital rules. That means derivative of the numerator again will be cos derivative minus sine, so minus 4 sine 2x plus 2 sine x by 6x. Now this is still in the form of 0 by 0 form. So again use the L'Hopital rule. Limit x tends to 0. Sine derivative cos. So this is minus 8 cos 2x plus 2 cos x divided by 6. Now this is not 0 by 0 form finally. So let's use x tends to 0 limit. It will give you minus 8 cos 0 plus 2 cos 0 by 6 equals to minus 8 plus 2 by 6. That means minus 6 by 6 equals to minus 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 sine 2x plus a sine x by x cube equals to limit sine 2x minus 2 sine x divided by x cube equals to minus 1. What we did here, we just placed minus 2 in place of a, and we found that the limit, the finite value of this limit is minus 1. This is the answer, this is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any confusion, please comment below.